Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to hide your caller ID on iPhone. Hiding your caller ID allows you to make calls without revealing your number, giving you more privacy when needed. So, let's get started on how to hide your caller ID on iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down at the bottom of the list and find the Apps option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, look for the Phone option. Then tap on it. In the phone settings, locate and tap on Show My Caller ID option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to the Show My Caller ID option and turn it off. And this is how you can hide your caller ID on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.